Growing vegetables indoors can be challenging because you need to provide enough nutrients and moisture to the plants in order for them to thrive. Some of the easiest vegetables that you can grow indoors include tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, lettuce, and many more. Number 1. Easy to manage. Growing vegetables indoors without soil is very easy. As hydroponic garden owners, you do not have to dig up their garden soil and place it into a compost bin. You will just need to make sure that your plants get enough nutrients and water in order for them to grow properly. Number 2. Save space. When you are growing vegetables indoors without soil, you can save a lot of space inside your home. All you need is a small amount of space in your garden and a bit of access to natural light. Number 3. Healthy plants and food safety. There are many benefits of growing vegetables indoors without soil, such as healthy plants, food safety, and reduced pest infestation. Since you control the water supply, temperature, and lighting, you can grow healthy plants with less risk of disease. Number 4. Lesser pests. Ever notice your plant root system is showing signs of wear and tear? This can result from insect damage, bacterial or fungal infection, poor drainage, or poor nutrition. Hydroponic gardening reduces the risk of pests. Since you control the water supply, you can control pests by limiting their access to water. This is much easier than trying to get rid of bugs in your garden, and it's safer for plants and pets as well. Number 5. Better quality food. Growing vegetables indoors without soil will also help you produce better quality food and fresh food every day in your home. Whether it's tomato plants, lettuce, cucumber, or corn plants, you can grow vegetables more easily. By planting vegetables without soil in your home, you will also save money and water for the entire family. You can also eat fresh food every day by growing vegetables indoors without soil. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.